Today I am reviewing the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The HP Victus 15 gaming laptop is an impressive all-rounder design for gamers, content creators, and power users who demand high performance without compromise. With a sleek silver design, high-speed internals, and a generous feature set, this laptop brings premium gaming and productivity capabilities into one compact machine. At the heart of the Victus 15 is the AMD Ryzen 7 7445HS processor, a high-performance CPU designed for seamless multitasking and intensive applications. Whether you're playing AAA games, running productivity software, or streaming content, this processor ensures smooth, responsive performance across all your tasks. Coupled with 16 GB of DDR5 memory, multitasking becomes effortless, allowing you to switch between games, apps, and creative tools without lag or slowdown. The DDR5 RAM ensures lightning-fast data processing, keeping you fully immersed in your work or play. For storage, the Victus 15 comes with a 512GB PCIe SSD, providing rapid boot times, fast game loading, and near-instant access to files and applications. This high-speed storage means you can store plenty of games, videos, and creative projects while still enjoying blazing fast access. For those needing even more capacity, HP includes a 1TB docking station set with additional ports and storage, making it easier than ever to expand your setup or connect peripherals. Gaming and visuals are where the HP Victus 15 truly shines. Its 15.6-inch FHD IPS display with a 144Hz refresh rate provides smooth, crisp visuals and virtually eliminates motion blur. Fast-paced games, competitive shooters, and cinematic adventures all feel fluid and responsive. The display is complemented by the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU with 6GB GDDR5, delivering high FPS, realistic lighting, and stunning graphics thanks to advanced GPU features. From AAA titles to creative 3D work, this GPU ensures lively, detailed visuals and immersive experiences. The laptop also includes a backlit keyboard, which is perfect for gaming or work in low-light conditions. Typing feels comfortable and precise, while the Microsoft Copilot AI enhances productivity and creativity, assisting with tasks ranging from content creation to workflow automation. Combined with Windows 11 Home, you get a modern, intuitive, and reliable platform optimized for both gaming and productivity. Connectivity and peripherals are also well covered. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth, USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and RJ45 ports, the Victus 15 makes it easy to connect to external displays, headsets, or other devices. The laptop is portable yet sturdy, measuring 14.09 by 10.04 by 0.93 inches and weighing just 5.06 pounds, making it ideal for both home use and on-the-go gaming. One of the standout features is the bonus 1TB docking station set, which includes 32GB micro SD card, Type-C and 3-in-1 cables, and a suede cleaning cloth. This makes the HP Victus 15 a complete package, ready to expand your gaming or productivity setup immediately. In real-world usage, the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop performs exceptionally well. AAA games run smoothly at high settings. Competitive games respond with low input lag, and creative applications like video editing or graphic design are handled effortlessly. The combination of Ryzen 7 CPU, RTX 4050 GPU, high refresh display, DDR5 RAM, and SSD storage ensures this laptop is future-proof for years to come. In conclusion, the HP Victus 15 gaming laptop is a powerful, stylish, and versatile machine for gamers and professionals alike. Its Ryzen 7 7445HS processor, RTX 4050 GPU, 144Hz FHD display, 16GB DDR5 RAM, and 512GB SSD, combined with premium features like backlit keyboard, Copilot AI, and a bonus docking station, make it one of the best gaming laptops in its class. Whether you're gaming, creating, or multitasking, The HP Victus 15 delivers speed, performance, and reliability without compromise.